Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel. And if you not join my best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. Okay, and if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, but market here is a script signal by down, but market going down, but here is some rejection point here. Okay, no problem. And here is a market going down signal. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, because here is a market downtrend. Okay, let's see. Okay, today is OTC market, very bad market. Okay, IQ option just I have used just for indicator and script. Okay, I have personal trading on pocket option on or Cotex. Okay, let's see. As you can see, I have covered my loss. Okay, very good signal by script. As you can see, I have won this trade. Okay, 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 I have placed update because, but here is a very good strong candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is a market script signal by sell, market going down. Okay, okay, here I have lose this trade, no problem.